Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious Mexican fruit and Jell-O salad. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by making our gelatin. Now I like to do this step the night before, just so like that it gives enough time for the gelatin to set. So first we're going to begin by making our tres leches gelatin. So in a glass, we're going to dissolve our 4 packets of unflavored gelatin with half a cup of water. So just mix it and dissolve it, and just allow it to get nice and thick. Okay, so once it thickens, we're going to set it to the side and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to place our unflavored gelatin in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, and once we have liquefied our unflavored gelatin, we're going to set it to the side, get our blender, and in our blender, we're going to add our evaporated milk, media crema, condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend. We're going to blend it for 20 seconds. Okay, now we're going to add our unflavored gelatin and blend again for 20 seconds. Okay, so once we have our tres leches gelatin mixture, we're going to transfer it to our mold or baking dish. Make sure that you lightly spray it and remove the excess. Now just pour it. And just kind of get rid of the little air bubbles. So now we're just going to place it in the refrigerator so we can work on our strawberry and lime Jell-O. Okay, so for that you just follow the instructions in the packet. I already have my boiling hot water. Just going to dissolve my gelatin. Add the cold water. Okay, now pour into your greased baking dish. Okay, and place it in your refrigerator. Repeat the same steps with the green gelatin. Alright guys, so once we have our gelatin, I made mine the night before. So now we're just going to separate it, cut it into squares, and transfer it to a large bowl. Okay, so once we have our gelatin all nicely cut, now we're going to put our salad together. Okay, now to make a crema, we're going to use our blender. So to our blender cup, we're going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend. And now we're just going to be blending for 1 minute. Okay, so once we have a crema, we're going to pour it on our bowl with our gelatin. Okay, so to our mixture, we're going to add our 6 apples, 30 ounces of fruit cocktail, and fresh strawberries, and chopped pecans. And here I will also add the sweetened coconut, but my son asked me not to add it this time, so I'm just going to wait until I serve it. So now we're just going to mix it. Okay, so once mixed, we're going to place it in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for at least 30 minutes. We have to allow the crema to thicken up. Alright guys, and after at least 30 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part, serving. So we're going to grab our cup, grab our salad, and scoop it in. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this recipe is seriously super easy to make, so delicious, everyone gets to enjoy it. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. And just keep in mind, that the longer you keep it in the fridge, the thicker the cream is going to get. But regardless, it's honestly super delicious. It's not too sweet, I think it's perfect. But of course, you can always adjust that to your liking. And also keep in mind that you can add or take away, the fruits that you want and enjoy. But I am ready. This is like the perfect combination of textures all in one bite. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The gelatina tres leches, it's so good. The apples, the fruit, of course the pecans. The crema, it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the most delicious fruit and gelatin salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.